Hey there, how's it going? Welcome to Looplearnings, and this is a video to address some of the things that I've skipped in previous videos, and I've been notified by different users. So thank you so much for pointing it out and telling me that there are some things that was skipped, and so I would like to address those couple of few things. And some of the viewers who have downloaded the file from the website, they are telling me that they are facing an issue such as some of the things are not working. I'm going to address those in this particular short video, so just stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure that you hit subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload this video. It's going to be a shorter video. First of all, I want to address something. For example, I have uploaded this file, the file that we are working on my website, looplearnings.com. If you haven't downloaded yet, you can go to looplearnings.com. Link will be in the description below of this video, and you can click on this tile and you can go to the course enroll and download the file. What I'll do, I'll upload the latest version of the file, so you can download the latest version as well. And please do not forget to give me reviews. It helps a lot as a creator. Okay, so moving on, if you have downloaded the file from the website, and when you will open it first time after downloading, this is how it will look like. You will have a yellow bar, something like this. It will ask you to enable the content. So please make sure that you click on enable content. You don't click on this cross button. What happens if you will click on this cross button and you will start continuing, then some of the functionalities may not work because you are not enabling the content. So for security reasons, maybe Access would know that, hey, maybe this is not a good file, so it may not work properly. But rest assured, it is a perfectly secure file. But what you need to do is you need to click on enable content. Once you click on enable content, then you will be able to properly operate in the application. And this security warning shows for all the downloaded content. Okay, so every time, if you trust the source from where the file is coming, please make sure that you click on enable content, then it should work properly. So that was one of the things that people notified me that, hey, when we save a record, for example, on the categories form, now this is a small simple form. When they save, nothing actually happens. You can see that here also, right? Nothing happens. If I click on this button, no message box, nothing happens, because I have not enabled the content. If I will enable the content, then it should work properly. So now I clicked on enable content. Now if I will open the categories form, the same form, right? I was clicking the same button repeatedly. Now if I will click again, boom, now it works, right? So now Microsoft recognized that this is a secure file, therefore user should start working on this. So I'm assuming, and this is what happens, that you clicked on this cross rather than clicking on enable content, and that's why some of you are getting or facing this issue. Okay, so that was first thing I wanted to address. Secondly, I want to address one more important point, and that is related to the relationships that we have created. So I've created relationship, I think in video number 2 if I'm not or 3 if I'm not mistaken, and while doing so I actually forgot to create a relationship between categories table and products table. And thank you very much for pointing out. So I think a few people have reminded me and asked me, hey, did you intentionally forgot this relationship, or it was a mistake? So it was purely a mistake. I forgot to make the relationship. It has to be a related table, so both tables has to be related. So what you need to do is category ID here in the categories table, and that will be your primary key, and your secondary key or foreign key would be your category in the products table. So those needs to be linked together. So just make sure that you create the relationship for both as well. So that was the second thing I wanted to make the correction in. And third is related to the order form. Now let me log into the application, and I will show you what correction needs to be made. So for example, if I open a order number 18, it is showing me these two items, right? Whereas these two items does not belong to this order number 18. Okay, so that's why this is a problem. The problem is that this subform, right, this subform is not linked to this order form yet. That's why anytime you add the line item in the order, every order will show all those line items. So for example, if I open this order, this order also showing the same. This is order number 16, different order, but showing the same items, but they do not, these items do not belong to this order number. Okay, I know that because I've created it. So order number 15, same two lines. So that's the correction I need to make. The correction should be that the order lines related to the order number should appear in this subform. Not all the lines should appear for all the orders. Okay, that's incorrect. So that's the correction I want to make. So for example, if I create a new order, look, I click on create new order, and I'm getting these two lines by default. Now this is wrong. This should not be the case. The order has not even created yet, and these two lines should not be paired. So that's the correction we need to make. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll go to the design view of this form, and this subform we need to target. So if I select this subform by clicking on the corner, and I click on data, and I go to the record source and ellipsis, and the small thing I need to do is I need to give a reference number of order number as a criteria. So what I will say, I will say forms exclamation mark order F exclamation mark order num. So by doing this, what will happen is that we are telling this form that, hey, you only show the line items that are related to the order number which is being displayed. Do not show all the lines for all the orders. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, and I hope that you have understood what I'm trying to say. I'll demonstrate to you what changes will reflect. So let me log on. Okay, so if I click on create new sales order, now we don't get those lines because we don't have the order number created yet. Therefore there are no line items created for that particular order. So that's why it's important for me to show you that please make this correction. So if you are following me, so see, you can see that here there is no line added yet for the order number. That's why there is nothing appeared here. If I open this order number, there is one line item added for order number 15, and you can see the pricing information is also correct Okay, order number 16, nothing is added yet. Order number 17, nothing is added. Order number 18, one line is added. Pricing information is correct as well. Somebody sent me an email, if I'm if I'm not mistaken. What they are trying to say here is that they click on choose product and they only hear the beep sound, but nothing actually happens. So if I click on choose product here, well, the product is being added. So my assumption is, again, what I demonstrated at the start of this video is that you click on enable content and then you proceed with the file, then it should perfectly work fine. Okay, because the code block is the same, whatever you are downloading from the website, it's exactly the same file that you're looking at in the video. So these were the few corrections I wanted to make. I apologize if it caused inconvenience, but these are small things that may happen and always happens when you are developing a large scale software such as like this. So I hope this helps, and thank you so much for paying attention. And this file I'm going to latest file I'm going to upload on website. So if you want the latest version of this file, then please go ahead to the looplearnings.com and sign up to the course and download the latest version of this file. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you so much, and I hope this helps. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notification, and spread the word and support this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.